Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Supriyanto. I'm prodi in accounting study program in Nusa University, Sukabumi Regency. I'm permission in presentation on the title of the effect of the accuracy of two wheel or four wheel on the original income in Pelabuhan Ratu Sukabumi Regency. Next, abstract. Tax are a source of state revenue, both central and local government, which are used to carry out development to save the welfare of all Indonesian people. However, in important problem in developing countries is the issue of taxpayer complaints. The purpose of this study is to measure the accuracy of taxpayer on local revenue in Pelabuhan Ratu Sukabumi Regency and understanding of taxpayers. The data in this study were obtained from 29 respondents who were willing to fill out the questionnaires uh, that we had created in this study. The data analysis method used is descriptive analysis. Uh, so, the study aims to test whether the accuracy of two-wheel or four-wheel vehicles taxpayers has an effect on local revenue in Pelabuhan Ratu, Sukabumi Regency. This study used a quantitative descriptive method and primary data using a questionnaire. This study took samples from individual taxpayers in Pelabuhan Ratu, Sukabumi Regency. That collection is done by sending a questionnaire link via personal chat to individual taxpayers in Pelabuhan Ratu, Sukabumi Regency. The number of questionnaires that were processed were 27 respondents with 5 questions for taxpayers. The data were analyzing using descriptive analysis. The keywords: accuracy taxpayers, two-wheel vehicles, four-wheel vehicles, local revenue. Okay, next. Introducing. Number one, backgrounds. Awareness of paying tax is very important for local revenue. Therefore, tax sanctions and tax socialization are held so that people are aware of the importance of paying tax, because from tax can be built infrastructure and other activities budget by the state to local government, such as districts and village in Indonesia. Awareness of paying tax for taxpayers is quite weak. Therefore, the importance of awareness for taxpayers to pay tax at a predetermined time. The problem that arises from the lack of awareness of paying tax is the lack of local revenue, which will result in delays in regional development and hinder infrastructure growth in the regional itself. So, complaints and awareness of taxpayer is a very important factor in shaping the success of tax revenue, because of because if the taxpayer does not complete, it will lead the deserves to take action to avoid evade, smuggle, and niggle tax. So, tax. So, tax compliance is defined as a condition in which taxpayers are obtained and have awareness in fulfilling tax obligation. Compliance is awareness of fulfilling tax obligation is reflects in the following situation. The number one, taxpayers understand and try to understand all provisions of tax laws and regulation. Number two, fill in the tax formula completely and clearly. Number three, calculates the amount of tax award correctly. Number four, pay the tax due on time. The next, literature review. Number one, tax. The so is the law number 28 of 2007, Article 1 states that tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owed by individuals or entities exclusively based on the law. By not getting compensation directly and use for the needs of the state for the greater prosperity prosperity people. Number two, taxpayer accuracy. The awareness is element is in humans to understand reality in how they act or behave toward reality. Jetnico 2006 explains the the Constitution is a state of knowing or understanding. Irianto 2005 in Widayati and Nurulis 2010 describes several forms of awareness of paying tax the that encourage taxpayers to pay tax. First, the awareness that tax are a form of participation in supporting the development of the country, and second, awareness that delays in paying tax and reducing the tax burden are very detrimental to the state. Number three, locally generates locally generate revenue. Locally generate revenue. So referring to Article 1 point referring to Article 1.18 of Law Number 13 of 2004, regional original income is income obtained by the region which is collected based on regional regulation in accordance to with statutory regulation. So, PAD is a manifestation of the principle of decentralization and is a source of regional income. Number four, individual taxpayer. Also, individual taxpayer who carry out business activities or independent work as are those who carry out business activities and are not bound by a bond with the employer. The definition of running a business activity in question is a business anything in various field, be it agriculture, industry, trade, or other. Next, uh, so in this question, so the data obtained from the result of the study show that the length of the taxpayers rank from less than 1 year to more than their 3 years from the Cartesian coordinate system below. It can be sensed that the x-axis shows the number of taxpayers and the y-axis shows the duration of the taxpayers. So the table number 130, the number of taxpayer. From the data above, it can be concluded that there are around 19 people who are not yet taxpayers of the wheeled and four-wheel vehicles. Then there are about 6 people who have been taxpayers for less than 1 year. Taxpayers of more than 1 year show about 3 people, and those who are taxpayers for 3 years and over show 4 people. The questionnaire results are minimal because there are very few few people who are willing to fill out the questionnaires that I gave to two-wheel and four-wheel vehicles taxpayers. The reason is because the target that I'm targeting is that most two-wheel or four-wheel vehicle taxpayers are still in the name of their parents. Next, the second is how the taxpayers pay tax in a timely manner. From the data below, it can be seen that the Cartesian coordinates of the x-axis indicate the level of people agreement with the provisions on the timelines of tax payments, while the y-axis show the number of people who agree. So, from the data above, it can be concluded that the level of agreement with the provisions of the tax payment time is 2 natural persons. Then there are 6 persons who agree with the provision of the taxpayer, and 3 are 90 taxpayers who strongly agree with the provisions of the tax payment time. Next. So that below shows that if the taxpayer is late in paying tax, a fine will be imposed in accordance with the provisions and regulations that have been determined. Jadi, judging from the data below, the x-axis shows the level of agreement of the taxpayer, the local payment, if he is late in paying tax, while the y-axis shows the number of taxpayers who agree to those provisions. So, from the data above, it can be concluded there that there are only one taxpayer who strongly disagrees with the provisions of the taxpayer finds that 3 are 5 taxpayers who are neutral on the provisions. Then there are 8 taxpayers who agree with the provisions. The provision. So it can be conclude that the provisions of fines for late payment of tax affect people's motivation to pay tax as soon as possible. Next. Oh, next. The debt below so that taxpayers must pay admin fees is if paying tax not on their own behalf or can be called broke. It can be seen from the table below as follows. From the data above, it can be concluded that 3 taxpayers strongly disagree with the provisions of the tax payment admin, and 3 are 7 people who do not agree with the provisions who are natural on these provisions are their taxpayer. Then there are also 6 people who agree with these provisions, and 3 are 8 taxpayers who strongly agree with this provision. So it can be concluded that those who agree and disagree and balance against the provisions of paying tax, no brokers or the on third persons might be used. Okay, next. Okay, the last. Furthermore, if the taxpayer is going to pay his vehicle's tax, uh, must bring the vehicles in questions, or can it can be seen that many taxpayers strongly agree with those provisions, and in the end, if you are going to pay tax, uh, you have to bring the vehicles in question, but you might or might not. Uh, from the date above, from so uh, from the date above, it can be concluded that the level of agreement with their provisions is a lot of people who strongly agree that up to 14 taxpayers who agree with these provisions and not agree with this provision. So the level of agreement with the regulation greatly affect the accuracy of two-wheel and four-wheel vehicle taxpayer. So the provisions of the above provision greatly affect the accuracy of taxpayers paying the tax. So if the accuracy in if the accuracy of an individual paying tax will greatly affect his original regional income because it is from tax that PAD is obtained. Okay, next conclusion. So this conclusion, it can be concluded from the research that I have done that the provisions that have been regulation in the tax law on the accuracy of taxpayers on paying tax greatly affect people to pay tax, so that it will have a significant effect if the accuracy of taxpayers on local revenue. So one of the original regional income is obtained from two-wheel or four-wheel vehicles tax and other tax that are outside of the research I did. Therefore, it is expected that all taxpayers in Batu Sukabumi Regency pay tax according to the time determined by the regional government because of local tax revenues. Will the development and infrastructure does not stop will cause budget deficit due to the lack of regional income and high regional expenditure. Not only in Pulau Sukabumi Regency, but also in other areas that are being studied by me and hopeful and hopefully by me and hopefully there will be not large budget deficit.